Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can appeal for a suspended Wise account. If your personal account or business Wise account has been suspended, that means your all banking activities are closed. To get back your Wise business account, it's much easier if you can appeal to Wise for your business account in particular way. So this video will help you that how you can appeal for your Wise business account. This is Wise official website. We need to click on the login button. I'm clicking here. Now you need to input your Wise business account username and password. After that, you need to click on the login button and you will see this message that we have closed your account, and here is the option that we can appeal for this decision. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the appeal button. Okay, so this video is topics how we can appeal for our Wise business account. That's why I'm clicking on the appeal Wise decision to close my account. I'm clicking here and you can see here a short message. Now we need to click on the continue button. Here is a deadline. They will review your appeal application within 10 days and they will update their decision to your email. Okay, now we need to click on the continue button. I'm clicking here. Here you need to write a powerful appeal request so Wise team can consider your appeal process and they can reactivate your account. So in this message box is very important. You need to convince them that you make a mistake unconsciously, that's why your account get closed or suspended, and you can promise with them that you will never do this kind of activities again. So here you need to write a message according your account activity and according your mistakes. You know that what kind of mistake you have made. Okay, so you can take a help ChatGPT, but it's better if you can write the appeal message according your own sentence. Okay, so I'm writing here. It take a few minutes. Okay, I have write a message. Now I'm clicking on the continue button. Here we need to upload some document like pay slip, bank statement, tax return document, or any alternative document you can see here. So I'm going to add a bank statement. Okay, so I'm clicking on the upload button. You can see here PDF, PNG, JPEG will be supported document. Okay, I'm clicking here. Okay, you can see here this is the bank statement. Now I'm clicking on the content. So you can see here the appeal has been submitted successfully. So this is the process to appeal for a Wise business close account. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any question about this video, please leave your question in our comment section. And if you want to buy Wise ready business account, you can contact with us. We sell Wise business account in reliable price. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.